I'm sitting in the 2026 Toyota GR86 Yuzu Edition. Yuzu is a tart Asian citrus that is used in Japanese cooking, and I think it kind of defines this color, which is tart and a little bit spicy. The Yuzu is powered by the D4S 2.4 liter boxer engine that powers the regular GR86. This is based on the premium edition. It makes 228 horsepower and about 184 pound-feet of torque. And you get the maximum torque from 3,700 RPM up, so it is a pretty torquey motor. We need to talk about what makes this Yuzu different, because this absolutely looks different than every other GR86 I've seen. Let's start with this front lip. This is a custom body kit. This is an optional body kit that you can order from Toyota. This is not part of the Yuzu, and I don't know offhand if you'll be able to order this for your GR86 in a non-Yuzu color. But what is different is, instead of having a continuous black lip around the base, we have this yellow insert here and this black piece over here. So this does look a little bit different. And this piece is a little bit different too. And then of course, the big thing that you're gonna notice is the side skirt is very, very different. This is much more blocky, much more squared off than the regular GR86, which is a very rounded piece here. And this element sort of comes up into the body, but here we've got this blocky squared off piece with this very interesting black insert here. I'm not quite sure what it reminds me of, but let me know down in the comments. And looking over here, this kind of flows in here too, but again, this is a little bit more rounded and kind of flowing with the body line. Very interesting, and we have this black piece also, this little rubber strip which goes all the way back. Very, very interesting. And then in the rear, we also have what is part of this optional body kit is a different lower part of the rear bumper. So we have this black rubber strip which kind of intersects, but this piece is a little bit blocky, more squared off too. This is the optional GR Performance exhaust with dual tips, quad tips now. I think that's really interesting. I think it's going to sound pretty good. Probably sounds like the regular Performance exhaust, but we'll find out. We have this black piece over here. Now this is based on the GR86 Premium, which is the upper trim level, with the Performance pack. And so with the Performance pack, you get Brembo 4-piston brakes. You also get Brembos in the rear. And these rotors are bigger too, so you definitely have more thermal capacity, especially if you're doing performance driving on track. These wheels are 18x8 with Michelin Pilot Sport 4. They're pretty good tires. And that pretty much does it for the exterior, but let's talk about what you get with the interior, which is actually unique to the Yuzu as well. We've got some very interesting stuff going on here too. We got the Yuzu stitching. Yuzu! It looks really nice, but it's not just the Yuzu, it's also the Ultra Suede has this Yuzu color in here too, so you can see the little yellow dots peeking out from behind the micro suede. I think it looks really excellent. We've also got Yuzu on the steering wheel. We have Yuzu everywhere. We have it on the doors. A little suede up here, and there are only 860 of these going to be made. And of course, they're going to get the base edition, the premium edition, and this Yuzu edition. Also, you get it on the e-brake and also on the shifter. So this is going to come in manual and automatic. I think it's going to be about a 50-50 split. No unique floor mats this time. You get an 8-inch center display, physical switch gear. Let me know down below, is a Yuzu in your future? And I'm gonna be doing a bunch of videos on my brand new 2025 GR86. I'm taking it to the track. Yes, I sold my 23. There's a story behind that. Stay tuned, subscribe. See you in the next one.